Okay, let's start with this. So today we'll walk for chalo, today we start from the grammar. Okay. Now today you will come to know entire things in grammar. Now remember one thing. I will start from lem parfait. What is lem parfait in French? Team, all of you please remember one thing. Your lem parfait formula is AIS, AIS, AIT, IONS, IEZ, and AIENT. Simple. It is just with the way rappeler le formulaire de lem parfait. It is just you have to remember the formula of lem parfait, which is AIS, AIS, AIT. Répétez après moi.
AIS, AIS,
AIS,
AIT,
AIT, IONS,
IONS,
IEZ, and
IEZ,
AIE.
AIENT.
In order to make lamp parfait, we have to use the present tense of nu conjugation. Yes. In order to make lamp parfait, on doit utiliser le présent of nu conjugation, the present of nu conjugation. C'est clair, d'accord? Mais ici, vous devez supprimer ONS. You have to delete ONS from the end. Vous devez supprimer. Supprimer, c'est-à-dire quoi? Delete, eliminate. Is it clear to you? And it is just you have to make a formula. You left with what? PARL, and you can insert PARL over here. That's it. This is your lamp part. Is simple. Is it clear to you? It is just you have to take the help of nu conjugation of present tense, eliminate ONS and apply the formula. Say Claire, tell me yes or no. Shalesh, is it clear to you? Lamp
Yes,
parfait.
sir. Yes,
Now,
sir.
for example, take any verb. For example, lire. Lire is my verb to read. Say Claire. So first, you know the formula AIS, AIS, AIT, IONS, IEZ, and AIENT. Say Claire. So how to make lire lamp parfait? Tell me please. How to make lire lamp parfait? Tell me.
Please,
Convert liaison, nu conjugation, ONS
please
and
not always.
AIS. So je
Yes.
lisais, c'est clair. Tu lisais, c'est clair. Elle lisait, c'est clair. Nous lisions, vous lisiez, elle lisaient. C'est clair. Tell me yes and no. Is it clear to you, Shailesh, and all of you?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Yes.
Now, dramatically, I will enter in the vocab in the tense of conditional. Conditional is what basically? Conditional is something like what if
Oh,
I was reading. So you can say je lisais. Say clair. Is it clear to you? But if I will say I would read, then what you will?
Jalize.
For example, if you will say I would read, now we will dramatically work on would pattern also. Clear? See, it is very important to understand leave is my vocab. Basically, see, in order to make would, it is just you have to insert your ending is AIS with lamp parfait. It is just you have to insert RRR with your lamp parfait ending, and this is your would. Is it clear to you? See
Yes. Great.
the ending AIS, AIS, AIT, IONS, IEZ, and AIENT. It is just you have to insert RRR and it will become would.
Would.
So je lirai, simple. C'est clair. Tu lirai. Elle lirai. C'est clair. Is it clear to you? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Nous lirions. C'est clair. Vous liriez and elles liraient. C'est clair. So this is basically my word. Is it clear to you? Now, for example, if I will give the verb of voir, pen down, please. VOIR. Pen down, please. Voir is my verb to see. Say clair.
War.
Basically, Let me write it down over here. Now, basically, var is my verb to see. So, what is the formula or what is the present tense of var conjugation? Because this is my irregular verb. So, repeat after me. Je vois, tu vois,
Je
elle voit. C'est clair. Nous voyons.
Yes.
These are the conjugation which you have to understand by heart. Vous voyez, c'est clair.
voyais.
And il, elle voit, c'est clair. D'accord. Now, par exemple, I want to convert my voir verb with lamp parfait. I was seeing, I used to see. So we have to take voyons because we have to use no conjugation. And what is the formula? AIS, AIS, AIT, IONS, IEZ, and AIENT. Say Claire. So you have to eliminate what? You have to eliminate ONS. So je voyais is I used to see and I was seeing. Say Claire. Tu voyais. Il voyait. Is it clear to you? Clear? Say Claire. Nous voyons.
Yes, sir.
Vous voyez. And il voyait. Say Claire. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
Tell me yes or no. For example, if I will enter in the wood pattern of var verb, because I will give you a lot of verbs. So what's the formula of conditional would? Because we have formula of lamp paraphrase AIS, I can say RAIS. So var, if I will say I would see. So one thing you have to understand, obviously, because this is my future, so ending is same. RAIS, RAIS, देखो ending is same. RAIT, RIONS, RIEZ, and RAIENT. Say Claire. So the future will start from je verrai, tu verras, that tu
Sir,
verrai.
वर कैसे आया?
Yes, because this is you have to understand by heart. Now, for example, you do ismr. Ismr major. If you use future, you will say WILL. You will use SHALL. Then why? Because something you learn by heart. There's no formula. Clear? So in that case also there are irregular verbs which you have to understand for future also. The var future is vare. So je vare, tu vare, il vare, nous varions, vous variez, il varin. C'est clair. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So obviously entire session under recording, but you have to understand something by heart also. Now, for example, we have verb savoir. Clear? Savoir is my verb to know. If I ask you what is the formula of savoir verb in present tense, you will say je sais, tu sais, c'est clair, il, elle sait, nous savons, vous savez. These are the verbs which we practice. Il, elle, sav. Clear? Now, if I ask you what is the form, how we can make lamp parfait of savoir verb, tell me. How we can make lamp parfait of savoir verb, tell me please. I can say I have to use new conjugation.
सावे.
Save, yes, because savon, I have to use what? ONS, savon, new conjugation, eliminate करेंगे, and we have a formula of AIS. So je savais, S,
yes.
you savais, SAVAIS.
Lamp parfait.
All of you, is it clear to you?
Lamp
Yes,
parfait.
sir.
Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Il, elle savait, nous savions. Vous saviez, il, elle savait. AIENT, ending. All of you, is it clear to you? Lamp parfait, tell me please.
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, if I ask for future, conditional, sorry, conditional would, what is the formula? RAIS, because it is just we have to insert RRR with your what? With your lamp parfait ending. So, but देखो RAIS, RAIS, RAIT, RIONS, RIEZ, and A-I-E-N-T. So in that case,
T.
my future would condition will start from S-A-U. I will say je saurai, tu saurais,
Je saurais,
tu
tu
saurais,
saurais,
elle
tu
saurait,
saurais,
nous saurions,
elle
nous
saurait,
saurions, vous
nous
sauriez,
saurions, vous
elle
sauriez,
saurait. This is my I
elle
would know.
saurait.
Yes, this is my I would know. Now, for example,
I would
yes, voir is
know.
worry, savoir is sore.
Saurais,
So,
tu
je
saurais,
saurais. Repeat after me. Je saurais,
Sore.
tu saurais, il
elle
elle
Je
saurait,
sore. You sorry.
nous saurions,
El
vous sauriez, il elle saurait. C'est clair.
Who sorry.
Clear, team?
El sore.
Okay, now for example, we have verb dir. Dir is my verb to tell and to say. So repeat after me. Je is to I tell. Bolo, je dis,
This
tu
you
dis,
you did,
elle dit,
il, nous dions, disons,
vous dites,
vous dites,
vous dites, and elle disent. This is my present tense of dir verb. So dir is my verb to tell. Because these are my irregular verbs wherein we have to understand the ending by heart. So repeat after me. Je dis, tu dis,
je dis,
tu
tu
dis,
dis,
elle dit,
you do.
nous
il,
disons,
elle dit,
yes, nous
nous
disons,
disons,
vous dites,
dites,
elle disent, elle disent. Now, for example, if I will make the lem parfait of these verb, how we can make? I have to take these zone because I have to take new conjugation.
These.
I have to
yes,
eliminate, supreme, eliminate ONS from the ending. What is the formula of lem parfait? Tell me. AIS, AIS, AIT, IONS, IEZ, and AIENT. Is it clear to you, bachcho? Now, for example, if we have a conditional would, so you know the formula of would, RAIS, because it is
yes,
just you have to insert lem parfait with R. So that would be your conditional. Dekho, RAIS, RAIS, RAIT,
Arya,
RIONS, RIEZ, and RAIENT. So these were, so these, so je dirai, tu dirais, elle dirait, nous dirions, vous diriez, elle dirait. C'est clair. Is
Di-
it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you, team? See, obviously there are some
yes,
which you have to understand. Now, for example, we have verb mettre, very important verb, mettre. Mettre is my verb to put. Pen down, please. Let me rub this. मैं rub कर दूं इसको.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So basically we have verb mettre. टीम आपको ना इन्हीं verbs का पहले practice करना है because these are very important verbs, right? You have to do practice with these verbs only first. So mettre. So repeat after me. Je mets is to I put. Tu mets. Répétez après moi.
Tu.
Tu mets. C'est clair. Elle met.
il, elle met,
Clear? Then we have nous mettons. C'est clair.
nous mettons,
C'est clair. Then we have vous mettez
mettez,
and elle met. This is basically my mettre, present tense. But if I want to convert lem parfait with mettre verb, so I have to eliminate ONS from the end. I have to eliminate ONS from the end. And what is that? Mete, METTAIS. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
METTAIT. sorry, AIS again, then METT, method, Methion, METTIONS. You can do that, right? Métier, method, say
Yes,
Claire.
sir.
Now, if I ask you
Yes, sir.
the wood, conditional wood of metro. So the formula is same,
Geometry.
because we have RAIS, say Claire. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So repeat after me, je mettrai, tu mettrais,
Geometry.
tu
Geometry.
mettrais, elle mettrait, nous mettrions,
Geometry.
vous mettriez, elle
Geometry.
mettrait. Is it clear to you?
Geometry.
Is it clear to you? Clear हो रहा है आपको? Clear? Now, for example,
Yes,
we have verb veneer. Veneer is my verb to
Yes.
go.
Come.
Sorry, come. We will do two verbs. Ali is my verb to go,
Go.
and veneer is my verb to come.
Come. Jovian.
Now, we will complete these two verbs, which are very important. Aller and venir verbs are the base of my French language. Now, let's start from aller verb. Repeat after moi. Je vais is to I go. Tu vas is to you.
Je
vais.
Il,
Tu vas.
elle va is to he, she goes. Nous allons is to we go. Vous allez is to you go. And ils, elles vont is to they go. Is it clear to you, bachcho?
Yes, sir.
Now we have venir. Repeat after me. Je viens is to I come. Tu viens is to you come. Clear? Il, elle vient. Il, elle vient. He, she comes. Nous venons is to we come. Vous venez is to you come. And il, elle viennent. बच्चों आपको इसकी बहुत प्रैक्टिस करनी है. Because you have to do practice with these type of verbs. Now, for example, what is the conjugation of aller verb in terms of plein parfait? Tell me, please. What is the conjugation of aller verb in terms of plein parfait? Yes, j'allais. J'allais. Say Claire, because we have ONS, we have to remove. So j'allais, tu allais, il elle allait, AIT. Nous allions, vous alliez, il elles allaient. Say Claire, you can do that, right? Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the formula of venir verb with plein parfait? So we have nous venons. I have to vous devez supprimer. Let's terminate. See, vous devez supprimer. You have to terminate. Supprimer is a verb to delete. Say Claire. Supprimer.
Yes, sir.
Supprimer. Say Claire. So vous devez supprimer ONS. And vous devez appliquer, ajouter le formulaire, par exemple, AIS.
Yes. Yes.
C'est clair? D'accord?
Yes.
Now, par exemple,
Yes, sir.
vous avez le verbe pour conditionnel. C'est clair? D'accord?
Yes, sir.
Like same, RAIS, RAIS, RAIT, RIONS, RIEZ, and RAIENT. But over here, the future will be je viendrai, exactement. Venir, that thing you have to understand by your heart, exactly. Vous devez comprendre, vous devez appliquer, vous devez ajouter, vous devez remarquer comment on peut commencer le futur pour le verbe venir. Je viendrai, tu viendrais, il, elle viendrait, nous viendrions, vous viendriez, il, elle viendrait. Is it clear to you? Repeat, please.
Je viendrai, tu viendrais, il viendrait, nous viendrions, vous viendriez, elle viendrait.
Yes, repeat again. Repeat again,
Je viendrai, elle viendrait, nous viendrions, vous viendriez,
elle viendrait.
Yes, c'est clair.
Yes,
Non, il faut que tu comprennes what I'm saying over here, il faut que. Il faut que is a part of my subjunctive. Il faut que tu comprennes. So team, I will explain to subjunctive also. Basically, one thing you have to understand, it is mandate to understand. Il faut que is my phrase of it is mandate. Tu comprends, you understand. Tu comprends la termination, the termination.
Mandatory.
Yes, il faut que. La termination de ce verbe pour conditionnel, for the conditional. C'est clair? So, je viendrai, tu viendrais, elle viendrait, nous viendrions, vous viendriez, elle viendrait. C'est clair? D'accord? Is it clear to you? Now, the best part, what is the formula of futur aller? Conditional aller, I would say, would. The formula is same, RAIS. Tell me, bachon, RAIS, because conditional formula is same. Tell me, please.
Yes.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, yes. RAIONS.
Clear?
Z.
But you have to understand, your ale future will start from I. Exactly. Your conditional word and future will start from I. These things in future you have to understand. So that is j'irai. Why j'irai? Because we have two vowels together, so one will eliminate. So j'irai, tu irais, il elle irait, nous irions, vous iriez, il elles iraient. C'est clair. Tell me yes and no. Ale future
सर
starts.
तो वुड के लिए वुड के
वुड के लिए सेम
सर वुड
फॉर्मूला
वाले फिर सारे ही अलग अलग हैं
ना नहीं
नहीं कभी आई
सारे
आ जा
सारे
रहा है
अलग नहीं
कभी
है क्योंकि ना 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 आपकी जो इररेगुलर वर्ब्स हैं वो अलग हैं बस से क्लियर जिनका प्रेजेंट अलग है उनका फ्यूचर भी हमें कहीं ना कहीं अलग है से क्लियर now
Okay.
explain to you now for example you have verb present tense ale so this is my irregular verb because we have different ending we don't have formula so the verbs wherein we do not have formula in present tense obviously there can be a slightly difference in the future also say clear
Okay.
is it clear to you bachon so which I observe because this is very important things and obviously when I was a student it took me obviously a time to understand these verbs so I will not stretch this session today I want you to practice with these stuff first so that session will not get heavy and it will go beyond your mind is it clear to you tell me please tell me your feedback पहले आप इसका practice करो you will do practice with these verbs tell me please okay I can give you one task
Yes,
over here
sir.
I can give one task over here I'm going to share a recording Ranveer what I'm going to do is now Ranveer you there
Yes.
I'm going to share a recording with you in the
Yes,
next
sir.
5-10 minutes time okay you have to watch this recording again and you have to submit your content whatever content I have written in the whiteboard and all of you please if you will not understand again the recording obviously I will share it with you then please ask to me because these are the terms which are very important because obviously there are a lot of terms which we'll discuss but these are something like lamp parfait and conditional is which is very important now for example we have verb être very important now what is my être verb is to be is am are is it clear to you tell me bachon so what is my être verb present tense
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
tuer is it clear to you
Yes.
Yes,
We
with you,
will.
il est nous sommes
Nous sommes.
vous êtes
il sont
il est now what is lamp parfait of être then so lamp parfait of être
Son.
no 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 lamp parfait of être is different right the formula is same ais ait say club the formula is same we have ais ait ions iez and aient it is just with eth verb you have to remove re and you to insert et over here that's it because something we have a exceptional case also only with eth verb but this e you will apply with ex a that e symbol with a say clair a ete jete this E symbol you will apply with E ague, you know, bottom to top, it is right hand side direction you have to put the symbol. The E symbol is ague A sound. Is it clear to you, बच्चों? Bottom to top, right hand side का symbol आपको लेना है. Say clair, d'accord? So jete, tuete, ilelete, nutetion, vous étiez, ils étaient. Say clair. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the conditional then? The conditional formula is same. RAIS, RAI. Tell me yes and no. Same
Yes,
formula is
sir.
RAIS, but ether future will start from SE. This thing you have to understand. Ether future will start from SE. Je serai,
Yes, sir.
tu serais, c'est clair. It will be conditional.
Je
Elle serait, c'est clair. Nous serions, c'est clair. It is just you have to understand a bit things. My aller future starts from I. My être future will start from SE. C'est clair. For this reason, this session is under recording. Because this is a very, very important session for your grammar. Is it clear to you, bachon? Is
Yes,
it clear?
sir.
Now, for example, we have verb avoir. Avoid the verb to have, and please don't forget these verbs, they're very important. Now, what is the formula of our in terms of present tense? Je, tu as, tu as, il a, nous avons, vous avez, elles ont. C'est clair, you know our present tense? C'est clair? Coucou?
Yes.
Claire.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the formula of lamp parfait? I have to use avons because nous avons. I have to eliminate ONS and I have to apply AIS. So Jave. Jave is basically
Ja-
our lamp parfait. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
All of you, is it clear to you? Tell me please, yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the conditional of our then? The formula is same RAIS, RAIS, RAIT, RIONS, RIEZ, and RAIEN. Claire, d'accord? Is it clear to you?
Yes.
So over here, we have now what you can do. Now over here, my our future will start from AU exactement. Par exemple, si comment vous pratiquez? Si vous devez remarquer les choses, mademoiselle et messieurs. Vous devez appliquer les le mot. Le mot, par exemple, A, Q, c'est clair. S, A, S, A, exactement. Et we have été. Si ici, il y a des choses qui est très, très, très important pour remarquer le mot. There's very important things which you have to understand the word first. Say clair. So our future will start from AU, j'aurai. Say clair. Is it clear to you? Tu aurais. Say clair.
Yes, sir.
That how you can do practice with your stuff with the help of these recording. So I can state the session, that's not a problem, but I think being a beginner with these type of sense, I think you should practice with these recordings, then let me know your progress. Is it clear to you? Is
Yes,
it clear to
sir.
you, Bachcho? Clear? So what I can do is now I'm going to
Yes.
share the recording with you. Watch this recording multiple times. These are the very, very important verbs. Say Claire. Is it clear to you, बच्चों? ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
So, and submit your project, please. Entire content you have to write it down and submit back to me and share your see. Tell me how. Look, if you understand entire thing, that's already good to go. If you not understand, then you can ask to me, because tomorrow obviously we'll pick up some again the theaters in terms of lamp pathway and conditional. Say Claire. D'accord?
Yes, sir. इनके sentences करवा देना, sir.
Okay, all right, sure, all right, no problem.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
All right.